In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Strava app. This is a quick update you can make right inside the app, and it's easiest if you're already signed in and have access to the inboxes for both your current email and the new one you want to use. Start by opening the Strava app on your phone. From the bottom of the screen, head to the U tab on the far right. This is your personal area with your profile and account options. In the top right corner, tap the gear icon to open Settings. Inside Settings, look for the option labeled Change Email. This takes you to the screen where you'll enter your new address. Type in the new email you'd like to use and double-check the spelling before moving on. Typos are the most common reason this process stalls. When you're confident it's correct, tap Next. At this point, Strava will begin the verification process. You must complete this step for the change to finish. Verification can happen in a few different ways, and what you see depends on how your account is set up. You might receive a code at your current email. If that happens, switch to your inbox, find the message, and enter the code back in the app. Sometimes Strava sends a confirmation link to your new email instead. Open that message and follow the link to approve the change. In some cases, especially depending on how you originally signed in, you may be asked to confirm with your account password. Follow whichever prompt you're given. If you don't see the message right away, refresh your inbox and check spam or junk folders. Codes are time limited, so if one expires, look for a resend option in the app. Once you successfully verify, return to the app and you should see your email updated in your account details. Going forward, sign in with the new email address. If you typically use Google or Apple to log in, you may notice slightly different confirmation prompts, but the overall idea is the same. Approve the change through the method Strava provides. A few final tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you still have access to your current email so you can receive any codes if needed. Keep your device online during verification and save the confirmation message until you're sure everything looks right. If you no longer have access to your old email, open the Help or Support section in the app to reach Strava support for assistance.